If you've ever applied a preset in Lightroom and want to get that photo back to a clean starting point, this video is going to help. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to remove Lightroom presets from photos using two simple methods, the fastest reset method and the undo method if you only want to back out of the preset step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips and photo editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the fastest way to remove a preset. This works in Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Lightroom Classic, and it's the quickest option when you want to remove the preset and all other edits on that photo. Open the photo in Lightroom, then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+R. This resets the photo back to its original state. So if the preset changed the colors, contrast, tone, or any other settings, this method clears everything at once. It's perfect when you want a complete fresh start. Now, before you use this shortcut, remember that reset means reset. It does not only remove the preset, it also removes any other editing adjustments you may have made after applying it. So if you've already fine-tuned exposure, shadows, highlights, or anything else, those changes will also be gone. That's why this method is best when you want to wipe the photo clean and start over. If you only want to remove the preset itself and keep your other edits, use the second method. This one gives you more control. To do that, open the History panel in Lightroom. The History panel shows every step you've made on that photo, in the order they were applied. Look for the step right before the preset was added. Once you find it, click that earlier step. Lightroom will jump back to that point, which effectively removes the preset while preserving the edits that came before it. This is really useful if you applied a preset early in the editing process and then made your own adjustments afterward. Instead of losing everything, you can roll back just enough to undo the preset and keep the rest of your work. It's a great option when you want to compare the image before and after the preset, or when a preset pushed the photo too far and you want to rebuild the edit manually. So here's the quick recap. If you want the fastest full reset, press Ctrl+R and Lightroom removes the preset along with all edits. If you want to undo only the preset, go to the History panel and click the step just before it was applied. That gives you a cleaner, more precise way to control your edit. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.